Creating search keywords using the ECOMSILVER CMS admin. In the dashboard of the admin, you just go up to the third tab along, so up to your Products tab. Click on Products. This will take you to the Products Overview page. Select the category for the products you'd like to change the keywords for. They will then display below. Click on Edit, and this will take you through to the actual editor of that particular product. You're on the Basic Details tab here. Scroll down the page to Search Keywords, and this is where you can start typing your search keywords. So the first one, type in here. With a comma, that will create the first keyword. Type again for your second keyword. With a comma, that creates your second keyword. And you can create as many keywords as you like. So that's how simple it is to create search keywords for products using the ECOMSILVER CMS admin. Thanks for watching.